Hey there! Okay, it's been a really long time. Probably a couple of months since I last made a video. So I'm so sorry for taking so long. So I've got a little bit of an update. So I moved into a new apartment and that took a lot longer than I thought it would. It took pretty much like a month and a half for everything to get ready. Everything right now is still a little bit all over the place, but things are slowly getting on track. So I'm finally getting down, have my computer all set up, and I'm finally working. So you probably can hear some construction outside, so please ignore that. So now I'm going to talk a little bit about some cool little projects that I'm working on and stuff that I want to share with you. So this video is also sponsored by Vograce. For those of you who don't know what Vograce is, it's kind of like a little merch making website. So you can make like tote bags, enamel pins, acrylic charms, sticker books, and a lot of different types of stuff, even art prints and stickers. So feel free to check that out. I do have a link in my bio, so you can check that out as well. So these are some of the stuff that I ordered. So I'm very proud of this Shine artwork. So I decided to make pretty much everything and anything possible with her. So I decided to make a cute little tote bag. I thought this would be super duper cute, especially if you remove the black. So I thought it would be super cool with like the negative space. I think I ordered around 36 of those, so I'm very excited. So another thing I ordered, okay, the image is super tiny, but I got these little keychains and it's gonna be two different designs, front and back. So one side is gonna be a little devil and then the other side is gonna be a little angel bunny. So I thought that would be super cute to have two different designs. And then over here I made some sticker books. So I decided to go with two designs. So my two most popular artworks, which is the Shine artwork and the pink lily bunnies. So I made some cool little backgrounds so then the book looks a little bit more unique and coherent. And yeah, really happy with how they turned out, and I'm very excited for them to arrive. Apparently they are going to be arriving very soon, so I'm going to be working on some packaging stuff for them. Oh yes, and I almost forgot to talk about this new tote bag. So it's not super duper new. I did make it like a while ago, but I never ever debuted it because I only made 5 pieces of her. So maybe I might make her super limited edition because there's only 5 of her and I'm keeping one, so there's gonna be only 4 of her, but 5 of her in the world. So yeah, trying to think of how I want to package her. Maybe I can like roll her up and have like a band, or maybe I could have like a little tag. I'll see how I go. But yeah, testing out how I'm going to be packaging this tote bag. Okay, so what I've come up with is pretty much I'm thinking of folding the tote bags kind of like this. And then I made a little mock, so I'm thinking of wrapping it. Oh gosh, I hope I can demonstrate properly. But I'm thinking of wrapping it kind of like this, if my hand can do it. So it will like attach at the back. The paper's a little small, but it will attach at the back. So at the back we'll have some info. And then at the front, it will have like the name of the thing and everything. So it'll be kind of like that. Thinking of doing it this way because it's kind of like, what's happening outside? Well, I'm thinking of having it like that. Well, I'm thinking of having it like that. And I feel like it'll be a good eco-friendly way to package the tote bags so people can just rip the paper off and then they have their bags. So I think that would be a nice packaging so people can know what it is, what it's made of, who it's by, and blah blah. And over here I made like a little simple artwork for it. Don't know if I'll like it too much yet. I might want to play around with the aqua demon part, but that's the general gist of how I want it to look. Okay, so I printed 4 different mock-ups. So I ended up going with 4 different designs since I thought, oh gosh, the kids screaming outside are so loud. Anyways, so I tried 4 different designs and I wanted to see which one I liked most. So there's this one, the Aqua Demon Canvas Tote Bag. And then I wanted to add like a little water stream on the top. I might, in the final version, maybe get the line to line up, but I don't know if that's even possible because I don't know if each time I wrap these would be exactly the same size. But this is what it looks like all around. So when you turn it around, it's got a little drip and then you have the QR code at the back. So that's the first one. The next one is a very plain and simple one. It's just going to be white and then at the back is just the QR code. So there's that one. And then this one, I decided to go with a starry theme. So it's got some sparkles and stars, and then at the back you have the QR code. So this one's like a little bit of a magical girl style. And then this one is more illustrative. So I've made some waves and water since it's Aqua Girl themed. So I've got some water splashes and waves and then the QR code at the very back. So there's that. I don't really like the plain one. I feel like it's way too boring. So I am contemplating between these 3 and I'm not sure which one to do. Or maybe I should have all of these guys and then people can pick and choose which one they want. I don't know what to do. So yeah, let me know which one you guys like the most. I'm kind of curious to hear your thoughts. I might be leaning towards this one because it's kind of like a lot more detailed and it's kind of fun. This one's kind of simple. I might want to use this for the other tote bag. For this tote bag, I feel like the stars and stuff, it might work really well with this. So I might reserve that for that one. And yeah, so there's also this one, which I like. It's really plain, very simple, but it's also quite nice and graphic. So I think I am leaning towards one of these 2. Hey there, so this is voiceover Chuubibi. I didn't really get the chance to properly record and do a voiceover while I was filming this unboxing video because my husband was working in the other room and I didn't want to make a fuss and noise outside. So it's gonna be voiceover me for this little segment. So if you don't know by now, this video is sponsored by Vograce. And they reached out to me asking me to make some super duper cute little charms and merch from their website, so that's what I did. And I'm so happy with how they turned out. I'm so excited. So I got some keychains and sticker books and they finally arrived. So right now I'm just doing a little look through, unboxing and just awing over everything that arrived. I'm probably going to be working on the shop update and launch, which should be happening towards the first week of November. I'm pretty sure by the time this video comes out, the shop update has already happened. Oh, and I forgot, there's also cool new tote bags, which I am so excited for. Most likely, the shop update has already happened. So if you're watching the video now, there's probably still some items left, so make sure to check that out. Hey there! Okay, so it's been a little while since I last made a little, I don't know, speaking video, but I am here now and I'm very excited because I managed to pack I managed to start packing some of the new merch that came from my Vograce sponsorship. So as you can see, this is the Angel and Devil keychain or charm. and it's super duper cute. I'm so happy with how it turned out. So there's two sides, there's the devil, and then at the back is the angel. So I'm really happy with how this one turned out, and I'm also quite happy with the packaging, so I decided to just go with a simple angel and devil, and then my website at the back. So this is what it looks like. And I also got some new sticker books. So these ones are actually going to be my own, so they're out of the plastic packaging. But this is the Pink Lily Bunnies reusable sticker book. So each one there's 100 pages, so you have lots of pages to fill your stickers with. And then I also got the shine one. Really happy with how these guys turned out. Whee! So really happy. And I also got the tote bag. So the tote bag is outside in the room, and I'm trying to think of different ways to package it at the moment. So for now, I made like these what is it, like tags or strips. So I'm thinking of rolling the tote bag, so kind of like my demon girl one, and then you would like wrap it around and have this tag around it. So that's what I'm thinking of doing with it. And yeah, so I'm gonna be spending today packing all of these guys and getting them ready for the next shop update. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is another thing that I'm also working on for the Christmas update, and it's these stickers. So these are the mini sticker sheets. So these are the Sweet Christmas sticker sheets. I thought it would be super duper cute to have like cute little Christmas themed stickers, especially during the holiday season. It'll be perfect to like decorate your cards with, and also photos and anything. And I also made these little mini versions, which I'm so happy with how they turned out. They're so cute and tiny. And I'm actually making these specifically for photo strips and Polaroid photos that I'll be opening commissions up for. So it's something new that I'm trying this year, and I'm very excited. I think the commission slots are still open, so shoot me a DM or email if you want to get a commission. And basically how it works is you would ask me to draw you and your friend or whatever, and then I would print it into a Polaroid strip. There's a choice between a Polaroid strip and then a photo strip. And then afterwards, I'll ship the artwork and printed print to you along with this cute little sticker. And then your job is to decorate it however you want. So that's pretty much the concept of these little mini stickers. But my husband actually really liked how cute and tiny they were. So I might actually turn these into proper sticker sheets. Maybe in the future for future designs as well. Like, this is so cute. There's like a big mini one and a mini one. So very happy with how these turned out. Hello again. Okay, so I made some other designs. So I did plan on making these for my Patreon. So it is Bibi and Boo Boo with the cute candy canes for Christmas. So this is going to be limited edition, I think. Well, at least for Patreon, they're going to get it first. So these are going to be in a set of Bibi and Boo Boo together. And then you guys can get these if you sign up during November. So yeah, I'm going to be laminating these and then cutting these. So there's that. And then over here, I've got the mini Christmas sticker sheets and the regular ones underneath. So I'm going to be laminating everything and then cutting them. Hopefully I can finish that today. And that would mean I will be able to get my shop up and running tomorrow.
Like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. adore me. I can feel love from miles away.
Okay, so I've just finished this massive pile of tote bags. I almost forgot what they were called, but yes, massive stack of tote bags. I'm thinking where I should store them for now, but I have no idea, so that'll be another problem for another hour or so. But yeah, need to figure out where to pack these, but I'm really happy with how they turned out. So this is what it looks like, the Shine canvas tote bag, and then at the back there's the little QR code. So happy with how this turned out. Yay! So excited.
The light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by.
Hey there. Okay, so I've just finished branding, I guess packaging, the little sticker books. So this is the flower one, and then over here I've got some more that I need to do for the Shine one, and here are the finished one for the Shine ones. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing this whole week while I'm enjoying my little juice. Yum. And yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me this whole week of crazy new items and just getting back into the groove of things. So yeah, I'll see you guys very soon in the next video, and I hope you have a lovely weekend. Bye.
It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side.